This company, Bladebolt, sent me this knife to check out. 284 folded Damascus steel. Hope you can see that. That's what you get with folded Damascus steel. Their logo. I want you to notice the precision handcraftedness of this. Very smooth wooden handle. It's an ergonomic shape handle here with 2 finger spots up here and your other fingers right there. Fits in your hand very nicely. The blade is 4.8 inches long. It's a perfect carrying knife. It's really a really good utility knife. I like full tang knives like this because, you know, you don't have to worry about any mechanism. You don't have to worry about any debris or blood or anything getting inside the casing of the knife. This is going to be very easy to clean, sharpen, and it just looks great. Let me show you what it also came with. Check out this leather sheath here. So this is 100% leather right here. Very nice. Fits in there nicely. It's a nice little logo right there. They really took time and precision to make this nice. Even all the stitching on this sheath, it looks very precise and very high quality. How sharp is this out of the box? Well, all right, well, there you go. If that's not sharp enough for you, they did include this little sharpener with it. This is very small and compact. You can put that in any compartment in your backpack. You're not even going to feel that. That's included with it. All in all, this makes a great gift for someone, or if you're looking for a knife for yourself. You know, this is going to be a really good knife for pretty much anything. Camping, skinning, fishing, whatever you want. What self-respecting hunter doesn't need to skin a buck every once in a while, right? That'd be a great little knife for it. Now that I'm thinking about it, I do need to harvest something. Right about here. I wouldn't do that to Thomas. Nah, I like him too much. All right, so I want to give you a little bit of context here. So here's the Bladebolt right here. You can see the size. You know, that is about 10 inches right there. This one's a little bit bigger. It's the Schrade full tang, and that one is, I think that's about 15 inches. I got the Becker BK2 here as well. This is only about well, that's about 11 inches it looks like. I have, what is this, my Kershaw flip blade, and that lays out fully opened 6 inches. Maybe that's about 6 inches right there. Yep. So there you go. These two are probably the most similar. You can see the BK is massively thick. I mean, you could, I batoned with this. I would not baton with this knife. You probably could. It's probably strong enough, but I would not want to, even though it is full tang. This one here, I mean, almost acts as a machete, right? It's so big, you wouldn't want to carry it around. By far, this is the lightest of them all, you know, minus this tiny Kershaw. But this blade compared to this, I mean, this is probably probably half as much as this one weighs. This one is kind of heavy. You don't really want to carry it around much. So overall, this feels really good in your hand. It's really light, it's very sharp, and I really like the curvature of it most. I mean, I think that's my favorite aspect of it all. I mean, despite its looks, it looks really good. But you know, this curvature is probably just about right. So if you're filleting something, if you're skinning a deer, I wish I could skin a deer right now and show you how well this would work. I really anticipate that being a really good skinning knife. So anyway, that just gives you a little bit of, I guess, size comparison to some of these other knives. I'll leave a link down in the description where you can purchase this knife. Thanks for watching.